Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Grammar 6th grade. I hope that you are as excited as I am. Um, we are going to start a new year, new topics, and actually some of the topics are things that we have done before. This book has a lot of topics that are easier than what we did before. It's not that we're not gonna do the topics from last year. We will. We're still gonna explore a lot of the sentences, and questions that we did in the years before, so you can learn better English and not only grammatical rules, because that's the purpose of this class. So let's do a little. Some of you already have the book, some of you don't. If you look for your book is when you go to your stream in your classroom, you will see something like this, okay? And then if you go to classwork in here, you will see your book over there, see? But if you in also even if you're in stream, you can see your book over there. See? So it's really easy to find your book. Go to your book, download it, and remember, we are not going to print anything in grammar. Nothing will be printed in grammar. So you don't have to worry about that. Everything will be copied in your notebook in cursive when I copy cursive, in print when I copy print. So you don't have to worry about anything in that. Remember to every time that you send your homeworks, sorry, your classworks, sorry, there's no homeworks, they're called classworks, because you're supposed to do them in the time of the class. You have to write your name, the day, what's your grade, the name of the class, etc. I'm gonna make a bigger video on that later so everybody can see it. And how are you gonna send your homework? But right now, you don't have to worry. Your classwork, sorry. You don't have to worry about that because you're not sending anything yet, so don't worry about that. Today, what we will do is that we will explore a little your topic. So, the first topic in your book is called common and proper nouns. So, let's start the topic, okay? So, we are going to write in here. Remember, everything that I copy in here should be in your notebook. Grammar, and then today is Monday, the 7th September 2020. Okay? And then common and proper nouns. Okay. So we have our topic, sorry. There you go. Okay. You have no idea how afraid I'm of balloons. Maybe you do know. I just want it to be decorative. They still scare me. It's decorated like this because I want it to have like a festive vibe because I'm excited to go back to class. But it's not gonna be. I think that it looks messy, but maybe some people like it. I just want it to be a little festive in it. Okay. So we have common and proper nouns. Now we know already that common nouns are the name of things that are general. Chair, book, table. A common noun names things in general. They don't specify anything. So if I tell you bring me a chair, chair is a common noun, but you can bring me any chair because you have no idea which chair I'm asking for specifically. Now, in the other hand, proper nouns are the specific names of a specific things. For an example, if I tell you go call that girl, you tell me which girl? Luciana. Then I'm being specific because I'm giving you a proper name. If I tell you no, I need to go to the city to buy more beans. City, what city? Oh, Tegucigalpa. Oh, then that's a proper noun because I'm being specific of what city I'm going. I'm not being mega general of the place that I'm going. So it's very important that you understand the difference between them. Now, the book says the following. Common nouns name people, places, and things. Ay, Jesus Christ, what are you doing, book? Oh, no. Sorry, my book moved. Okay. Name people, places, and things. They are general nouns, not specific. See? In a sentence, the noun is the person, place, or thing that can act or be acted upon. So we have examples in there. We have Teacher is a person. I like my teacher. That could be a good example. Or country, it's a place. I will visit another country. But still, you're not being specific of the place that you're going to. Now, on the other hand, proper nouns, the explanation says, name specific people, places, and things. Mrs. Crane, specific person. Miss Crane is my favorite teacher. Now you're being specific. You're not saying she's my favorite teacher. Who is? Even if you're saying she, that would be a proper one. But you need a specific name because you can just say I have a favorite teacher. Okay, who's your favorite teacher? Then you can say United States of America is in a specific place, or we can use Honduras. Now you can say I live in Honduras. Now mind that I read that there's a place in Africa called Honduras. And do I know if it's true? I have no idea, so I don't really know. We have Animal Farm is a specific thing. Animal Farm is one of my favorite books. So Animal Farm is the title of a book. If I could name my favorite book, it would be obviously Harry Potter. Well, it used to until the writer got a little messy with some communities. I would say, I don't know, Hermes. Hermes is a book. It's a romantic story. It's really, really nice. So those are the examples for both of them. For the proper, there are specific names, or for the common, there are general names. So we have in there an activity. It says completed. Use the word box below to complete the following sentences. Remember, common nouns are general and proper nouns are more specific. Proper nouns are also capitalized, so they should be written with a capital letter at the beginning. So let's make an example of this. For an example, this is the way that you are going to do it. From the moment that the activity starts, in this case, the activity starts in completed from the purple letter, you have to write all that in your notebook. So let's start writing it. Completed. Use the word belongs. So let's start. I think that I had a green marker in here. Nope. No, I didn't. Permanent. Oh. Yeah, maybe this one. Okay. Completed. Because we're writing everything that is in there. Use the word box below. Use the word box below to complete the following. Shiro wants something. I don't really know what she wants. Usually when she gets like this, she wants to poop or she wants to eat. She has both, her litter and food, so she has no reason to be bothering. Complete the following sentences. The following sentences. Period. And then it appears in there. Remember, common nouns are general. Remember, common nouns are general and proper nouns are more specific. Proper nouns are more specific. Proper nouns are also capitalized. Proper nouns are also capitalized. Okay? So as you can see, you have to write all the instructions that are in there in your notebook. This is going to be part of your practice in writing because you have to be able to practice your writing as you would do in penmanship. So your writing can be different than mine that is completely disgusting. And it can be prettier than mine. Actually, I know someone from sixth grade. No, from fifth grade. David Isaac. Ooh, beautiful handwriting, beautiful notebook. I wish my handwriting was like that. Okay, so let's start writing the box below. It says Dr. Saturn poem. Okay, so let's write it in here. So from here to here, I hope that you copied this. Remember, everything should be copied in your notebook. So we have the box below. Doctor, poem, sorry, poem, song, Saturn, Saturn, Dr. Green, planet, twinkle, twinkle, little star, twinkle, twinkle, little star. This is a whole one. And we have where the sidewalk ends. We have another one. Where the sidewalk ends. Yep. So as you can see, it can be a guide for you that some of those words start with capital and some of those are not. Let's erase the explanation. I hope you copy it. And if you don't, you can copy from your book. Don't worry, because you have it. Let's develop the sentences. Jesus, that little marker is mean. It stains anything. Okay. So we have in there the first sentence that says, I am writing for music class. So we start. Number one. I am writing a space music class. Okay? So, what do you think that it could be more fitting for that space? Do you think that you're writing a doctor or a poem or a song or a Saturn or a Dr. Green or a planet? Maybe you're writing either a poem or a song, but as much as it's for music, what do you think that it should be? Like Dora said, can you see it? Click. Exactly. Song would be the correct answer. So I'm writing a song and then the answer is gonna be in print, okay? Like this. Let's make one more example. I took my cat to see. I took my cat to see when he had a cold. A cold is like a flu. A cold, wait. Okay, like that, so you can read it. A cold is like a flu. So when you're and you have kind of like a fever and you have a lot of mucus in your nose, that's a cold. So where would you take your cat when the cat has a cold? Would you take it to the doctor? Would you take it to the poem? Or, because song is already eliminated, would you take it to Saturn? That's gonna be a long trip. Would you take it to Dr. Green? Would you take it to the planet? That's a song. Take me to the planet. Take me to the planet. Would you take it to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or When the Sidewalk Ends? Tick tock, tick tock. I think that you would take the cat to see Dr. Green. But that's my version. Maybe the cat can be taken somewhere else. Yeah. I think Dr. Green would be the correct action. Now, something that I have forgot to write is that you have to write if it's a proper noun or a common noun. So in the case of song, it's a common noun because it's a common word, the word song. But Dr. Green would be a proper noun. So we are going to write a P and an N for proper noun and a C and an N for a common noun. So we can know which one are we writing. So as you can see, this is going to be how the classwork is going to be today. You have to finish all the 8 activities, if I'm not wrong. Yes, all the 8 activities. I already gave you 2, so you have to finish the other 6. Copy everything in your notebook, and don't forget that when the moment comes, I'll let you know so we can upload everything into the platform with your data, with all the stuff that you have to write. Otherwise, I will not know who is uploading the homeworks. I hope that you have an amazing day. All of this should be written in your notebook, all of it, no doubt, all of it. Yes, everything, including the instructions. Remember, when I write in cursive, you do cursive. When I write in print, you do print, so everybody can be in the same symphony over there. So I hope you have fun, and I hope that I can see you soon. Bye, guys. You want to see? Oh.